Alright, here we go. Sonic CD. So, I've never actually played Sonic CD, but they did release it on PC a while back. And it's a very old game. Came out around the same time as Sonic 2. And it is a Sonic game I never played. This looks like they widescreened it, which is neat. Which means I don't have to do as much work in OBS to change stuff around. I should make sure we have everything updated. It says Sonic CD now. Great. We are good to go. Yeah. Visual mode. What the fuck does any of that mean? Stuff seems very quiet. Hey, OBS, how loud is this? It's pretty okay at the moment. Now up a little bit. Might have been too much. Alright. Great. Alright, let's play Sonic CD. Yes, new game, please. I don't think Tails was in this game originally. But we get this sick intro, which is like way higher quality than the original Sonic CD had, and I know it. It's the same video, obviously, but... Actually, it's not doing the Sonic Boom song, it's doing a different song, which is weird. I'm a little confused by that. I guess it's supposed to be going like Sonic Boom, Sonic Boom, Sonic Boom. Just don't even got words. What's going on? Maybe I'll make us watch this again at some point with the right music. So I know a bit about this game. I have seen playthroughs of it in my life. It is a game about time travel. It's really weird and interesting. Definitely like a different path the Sonic franchise could have started going down. Alright. Cool intro video. Immediately get hit. Oh, this is some classic Sonic now. Alright. I know this game also has some... Oh, does it have like a different button for spin dashing? That is strange. Oh, there's a... There it is. You can do this. The silly run. Where your legs get all wiggly. So yes, this game has a bunch of time travel going on in it. What is happening here? Every level has 3 versions of it. And each, like a present, a past, and a future. And I'm pretty sure what you're trying to do is... Oh my god, just get in the hole, Sonic. What you're trying to do is get to the past, so you can save the future or something. We'll see if we can find... God dang it. We'll see if we can find that at some point here. Great use of an invincibility there. Oh, okay, we got a past. Just try to go fast and go to the past. We missed it. Alright, let's find a new one. Okay, don't know what's happening there. I just need to find a place where I can go fast, man. Gotta go to the past. I do not want that future. I think there's a thing you're supposed to find in like every act in the past for the good ending. Maybe this will work. It's making me all shiny. Hell yeah. Alright. Going to the past. We get new music. We're right where we were, but in the past. I found something. I don't think that's the right thing. The thing you're actually looking for is like a weird egg-looking thing. Typing while hanging upside down. It's all good. Where would that thing be? I feel like you can see it in the present. And we didn't see it, so I'm not sure where it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Very pleasant music here in the past. Not trying to go to the future. This thing. Alright, so we're looking for those in every level. To get the good ending. Oh. That wasn't the goal sign. It was just telling me the goal was this way. Weird. Okay. Sonic made a good future in Zone 1. Okay. Boy, there are just springs all over the way this zone is created, huh? Oh, not really what I was looking for. I would like a past, please. There we go. Well, that was an easy way to get to the past. Awesome. Alright, can we make a good future in Zone 2? Where would the thing be? Oh, that's gonna be a little while, just like searching through these levels. Like, don't get me wrong, I like the exploration aspect of it. This game, it's definitely one that leaned into exploring with Sonic rather than just going fast like they will eventually be. Sonic 2 has some of that too, but I'm not sure if it went as hard as this one. Okay. Where the... Oh! I found it. Alright, great. Let's go. Wait, let's try to go to the future. So I think there's actually 4 versions of every level. Because if you go to the future before finding the thing, it's a bad future. And if you go to the future after blowing up the thing, it'll be a good future. Oh boy, we are just going backwards. Okay. Game did some really neat shit. Basically what I'm saying. Alright, another future. Great. Can we go fast? Nope. We lost it. Shit. Hit that slope. Well. Maybe we will not see the future of this world. Well, that's fine. Construction of this level is very strange to me. Also, I don't remember there being bonus zones. Apparently we got a bonus zone. Let's see what's in there for us. Right. I remember this now. From the things I've seen. Okay, don't step on the weird blocks. They trip you. I know I'm supposed to, like, hit these UFO things, but, like... Boy, old 3D, not the best. Oh, these are very awkward to hit, actually. And you just kind of, like, move forward. I'm not telling it to move forward, it's just doing that. Oh, we got speed. Great. Do the colors matter? Am I only trying to hit the purples or only trying to hit the blues? Oh, okay, that worked. We did it! Heck yeah! There are still Chaos Emeralds in this game. Okay. Never mind, they're Time Stones. We got a Time Stone. Heyo! I think the third zones are just boss levels. Not 100% on that, but I think so. I have seen the boss in this game. They are real dumb. No. Do you, like, put your hands back at some point? Yes. Okay. That was it? Just... Alright! That was a boss, apparently. Did he even have anything that could hurt me? The special zones in every Sonic game are different. Hi, Amy. You just watched me run into some spikes. Cool, so we got Amy with us. Bye, Amy. Wait. Oh. Yo! Give me back my apparent girlfriend. Oh, I don't want future. Need some past, man. Why isn't this future thing going away? Thank you. Oh, is this the... Whoa. Whoa. Is this the, like, closest to a casino level we're getting in this Sonic? This might be the casino level for this Sonic. I'm seeing flippers. Oh boy. Okay. Great. Are we actually going somewhere? Oh my gosh, I feel like I am just stuck in this section. Okay. We've gone somewhere else. Great. Still don't want future. Where is a past, please? Okay. Here we go. Okay, we found a past. Can we keep our speed up? No. Shit. Shit. Oh boy, this zone is a mess. I can't get out. Okay, alright. Oh boy. Oh, I see another pass. Here we go, here we go. Okay, okay. Get some speed somewhere. Oh, those springs don't do enough? Alright. Oh, that one did. Fuck. Damn it. Oh, no. Okay, well. Alright, I guess we're not doing the perfect run. I think it just changes the ending. I don't think it changes any of the levels. So whatever. The choices they seem to have made with this level, though, I don't know if I'm a great fan. Oh, I can't go up. I'm just hitting these things. Okay. God, just let me out of this room. Thank you. Good enough. I'm out of the room. It's fine. Let's go see a bad future. How about that? Here we go. We already aren't getting the entire, good future everywhere, so whatever. Everything's all dark. Neat. Oh, Sonic, you're always gaining speed slowly on these. I want to go check out the past, though, my guy. And this seems like the place to do it, honestly. Alright, going to the past, hooray! Got our slightly different music, a lot cheerier. Oh, that's not. Why are these rings, like, in the walls? I jumped right into that. Alright. Another level down. And now that we don't have to search for the thingies because we already aren't getting the best ending, I feel like I can just kind of run through it a lot better. The whole construction of these zones is very weird. Right, so because we got the bad future, we didn't save the past, rather. The boss is like this bad future boss, I think? Don't know if that actually changes the boss or if it just changes the level leading to him. Putting a lot more, like, spikes and shit in the way. Is this a pinball boss? Point Sonic Spinball all of a sudden? Okay, we are having some trouble. Here we go. Please let me up. There we go. Okay, okay. Going up. Bosses in this game are so weird. Alright, I'm gonna grab some water real quick, because I ran out. Give me just a moment. Tidal Tempest. Alright. Okay. Ugh. Let's also blow my nose. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Tidal Tempest, what do we got? Underwater levels in Sonic games are generally the worst. It's actually one of the things about Sonic 2 that I think they did really well. After Sonic 1's Labyrinth Zone sort of being a fucking travesty. Sonic 2 tended to use water more like a punishment rather than a mechanic. Because frankly, water levels are not particularly fun in Sonic games. They slow you down, they make you feel sluggish. The drowning mechanic stuff is not great. But in Sonic 2, what is happening right now? There's like the level, what is it, like Ancient Ruins Zone or something? Where you can get through the entire level on like an upper path and never go into the water. Oh. But there is an entire water level down there too. Where can I go fast if I'm stuck underwater? But anyway, I think that's a way smarter use of water in Sonic games as that like punishment type thing, because it makes it so that it's like a soft failure, right? Instead of just pits that kill you. Hello, big bubble, please. Thank you. Surprised this game doesn't do the bump 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 bump. Oh, there's the thingy I was looking for. So if I can get to the past, it's right there. Oh, this should actually let me go to the past too. Like right next to it. That's awesome. Two springs, best way to the past. Great. We created a good future. In Act 1. Boing, boing, boing. I disagree on that one. I rather like the music on this level, though. Ooh, like jazzy song. Can I make that like platform reappear, please? Yes, great. Okay. Hey, there's the end. Hooray! Good future! We did it! Ooh! I wasn't really looking for that, but okay. What is going on with this level? Oh, is this a... Okay. Just a spot where they do that silly... Okay. It's a spot where they do that silly, like, infinite loop thing. Oh, those fireballs don't hurt, they just push you? Weird. Okay. Hi. You know, in one way, I really like the fact that they don't do the holy shit, you're drowning noise. It lets you hear the music more. But also, just having that timer show up is way easier to miss. Oh, nice. Pass sign right next to it. God, this is a very weird Sonic game. There's a way back to the future. Where would the thingy be? The goal I'm going towards? Oh! Well, I found it. It was just there, okay. The past song in this level is way worse than the present song. Might just be instrumentation, but... oh, jeez. Ba-ba-ba. The fuck? Game, why do you construct everything so weird in this game? It's okay, we made a good future. Gotta love that good future. Ooh. Sorry. All that sleep and I still feel like so tired. Oh, okay. Green pads just shoot you off in a direction. These are, like, the hardest fucking things to touch. Where are you going? Come back here. I still don't know if I'm supposed to hit all of them or just the purple ones or blue ones or whatever. Why is this one dashing around? What is happening? Oh my god. Well, there's a blue one sitting there, so I guess you only need the purples. Oh, these special zones do not feel great, though. Ooh. Oh, I got an extra life. Nice. Happy Chinese New Year! Thank you, Nijiku. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Year of the Rat. Oh, hey man, where you going? Oh. Does he even attack? Okay, well, I got hurt, but... I'm not sure he can attack me right now. Well, yes, I could use some rings. Okay, so this is an infinite loop also? Sure. Okay, well, we got water now. Is there an actual boss? Maybe. You got bubbles. What a weird... Okay. Robbie Burns Day? I don't know what that means. This is a very stupid boss, though. This boss music is something else, though. Well, I'm getting those bubbles to breathe, Nijiku. Sonic does, in fact, drown. We made a good future!